this video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this full face look in 15 minutes. Yes guys, 15 minutes. So if you want to know my step-by-step routine in achieving this glam in a simple and easy way, keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Beauty by Shefira. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick and easy makeup tutorial that you'll be able to achieve in less than 15 minutes for your everyday slay. Do not forget guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, welcome, and please hit the subscribe button. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Do not forget, like this post and drop your comments. I'll definitely be reading. Enjoy this video guys. So pro tip guys, although this might be a bit difficult for beginners, I like to start with my skin work. I figure that every time I do my skin work, it's faster for me doing my skin work first than going on to do my eyebrows or shadow work before doing my skin work. So like I said, it might be harder for beginners because when I was just starting out makeup, that was a difficult process for me. But if you can, I think this is a better alternative to start your skin work first before going on to draw your brows and finish your eye makeup. So now I'm going to start with my skin work. I'm going to go first with my primer, and then I'll go on with my foundation, concealer, and what have you. Just watch me do that guys. So guys, now I'm done with my skin work, and quickly I'll just go on to draw my brows. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to draw your brows, I have a video uploaded already, and I'll drop the link in the description box so you can go watch it at a later time. guys, I have effortlessly drawn my brows, and for my eyeshadow work, this is a simple makeup tutorial, and so I do not want to go overboard with my eyeshadow work, so I'm just going to keep it really simple and classy. So guys, I'll be using the Blossom eyeshadow palette for this look, and I'll be going in with this shade nudist. And so for the base, I'll just go in with a dark shade of powder and blend the outer part of my eyes. So now I'm going in with the nudist shade. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner. So guys, now that I've done that, I'm just going to be giving the finishing touches to my makeup, dusting off my setting powder, wearing blush, glow, and everything, guys. And I'm using the Huda Beauty face powder. Guys, I'll be going in with this So guys, this is it for my 15 minutes quick makeup glam. If you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe to my channel, like this post, comment, share, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, I love you so much and thank you for your support and your love so far. It means the world to me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, like I always say, be safe. Bye guys.